Hi guys, and welcome to another exciting episode of North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. This video is an action-packed vlog, right? We have just received a delivery from Amazon. So let's go and check it out. Before getting into the video, please remember to like, share and subscribe our video if you haven't yet. Remember to put a like and write to us in the comment section from where you are watching us. So let's go and check out what the package contains. Hi guys, and welcome back. And today someone is very happy. That's a little champ Rainin. You can see the smile. The reason is he got one of his best gift. Isn't it, darling? Yeah. Yes. So Christmas weekend, my sister asked me what gift the kids want, and they all chose their own things, whatever they wanted. And Rainin asked for something which personally me and Satish didn't wanted to buy because we were scared about this little champ. He's very enthusiastic. He's hyperactive kid. So he's been waiting for more than 10 days to get his parcel, and just now we have received the parcel. So let's check it out, buddy.
Let's go.
Yes?
I'm very
okay. He's very excited, right? He doesn't say much when he is very happy. He only screams, but at the moment we are right in front of the camera, we can't scream. So guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please quickly hit on the subscription button, bell icon, and please hit on a like button, and do write to us in the comment section also.
And subscribe.
Yes. So let's check it out. So this is the parcel we just now received from Amazon, right? Looks quite big. I would just give you a hint of how big it is, and I want Rainin to stand next to it. So it's like half the size of Rainin. So he's super duper excited because this is the biggest gift he has ever got. Up to
Not
this.
the size one, the size one.
The size one, yes, the biggest gift. So let's check it out, what it has in it.
Not always.
Yeah, easy boy. Try the other way from here. Okay. And now
Biggest thing I've
slip from here.
I'll start from here.
Yeah. Okay. Don't put it so deep. So Tyson is also here. Hi Tyson. Baby. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Open. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is awesome.
That's been so nicely.
Whoa.
It's quite a package.
So guys, this is Rainin's favorite skateboard.
Get some.
Super durable wheels. Tyson, you gotta be careful, son.
Okay, and with it, you got knee pads?
You have your knee pads. Easy, 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 easy. Don't make a cut on the knee pads. Gloves or knee pads?
No, no gloves.
Knee pads.
Knee pads and elbow pads.
Okay, you have a pair of knee pads as well as elbow pads.
No.
And the most important thing, the helmet. This is awesome. Happy? Okay, so shout out a big thank you.
Thank you!
Okay. And you have instruction manual.
Okay, that's a proper thing.
And you have a nice
I think it's
helmet.
part of it, right?
Yes, that's part of it. And you have a small buckle.
Right. Hey, it's perfectly fitting.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually way more comfortable.
Rock rider. You gonna rock on the rider?
Yeah.
Yes. And we have an instruction manual giving all necessary information how we need to do things. Sports safety helmet on, knee pads. Rainin is excited. He's gonna put that. And Tyson is still sitting quietly. Probably when Rainin is in action, that time Tyson also will be in action. Running behind Rainin Bhaiya. Hey, don't get scared, Sunny boy.
Hey, don't be scared. Oh,
He got scared.
okay, so it's like a
Yeah, you can adjust.
elastic heel.
Yeah, you have a Velcro tape and you can adjust. There you go.
That is pretty strong. I don't think I'm getting bruises today.
And there you go. See, you have a nice Velcro tape.
Turn the lights out.
An elastic band with which you can stretch as per your need. There you go, baby. Good.
Okay, I'm getting prepared for Formula 1 racing. He's really excited. Okay, so why I'm going to now elbow pad done?
Yes, elbow pad is done. One is done, the other one I'm doing. Oh, sorry. Okay. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Now only thing left is you need to wear the shoes and socks.
Then I can.
Without the shoes and socks, you may stand on the skateboard.
That's really cool.
So friends, as we promised, we are on the road with Renan and we're gonna see how he feels on his new skateboard. See, doing at home, doing on the marble granite floor, it's altogether a different experience. But I feel since the road is not very smooth, I think he would enjoy doing it on a little coarse surface, right? We have brought Tyson also out with us for his evening walk. Usually we take him a little later part of the night, but today we just took him out so that he will also have fun with us as we are vlogging and seeing how Renan is doing it. We have a beautiful mountain up over there, right? And right now it's not very green because the trees have already shed the leaves. These are all rubber trees around us at the back, right? And even onto our right, these are all rubber trees. And even I was talking to Satish, even these dried up trees without no leaves actually look so beautiful because they are all similar type of trees standing in close quarter to each other, and the tree without the leaves also so beautiful. This is beautiful Kerala, friends, and I'm in so much of love with this place. So guys, let's go to the action part now. Let's see how our little buddy is ready for it. He has put his helmet on. It's a sports helmet. He has put the elbow pads on, knee pads on. You got to have your proper shoes and socks. Friends, you need to have your proper shoes and socks. That will give you a proper gripping on the skateboard, right? So just get down and tell me, how did you do it? So
My technique is first, I put both of my legs on top.
okay, so first you stand sideways.
Like this.
So let's see the little boy Renan in action on his favorite skateboard. Place the skateboard straight, right? Okay, and I get really scared of this Black Panther. Are you? So we are placing the skateboard on the road and there is a beautiful picture of a Black Panther, but I'm really getting scared of it. So Renan is gonna do the demo now. Come on, Renan. Yeah.
So we should not step here. Otherwise,
Yeah.
this is the use of it. You pick it up quickly.
Okay.
So I'll tell you one funny thing which I learned. Okay. Don't put your feet on the mouth. Otherwise, if you put in the mouth,
Yeah. So you gonna disbalance, you gonna fall. Correct.
so first you have to put both our legs on top here.
In the middle of the skateboard, okay?
On top of the wheels, right?
Yes.
Now we want to go forward. So we'll put first our legs front. Okay. So first, now we want to go forward. So we'll
Place your foot. Place your foot positioning forward.
So now we aim forward.
Hmm.
Our foot straight forward.
Mm-hmm.
And now we push. And then turn your leg back to where it.
And how about Mama taking you and going with you? Yay! So friends, I hope you enjoyed this small clipping of how Renan has received his gift from Amazon. Gift from his aunt and uncle from Amazon. You can purchase it. We have seen the trial of it. We have seen the demo of it and it is really nice and sturdy. So if your kids are also interested in skateboard, go ahead and buy it. We will put the link in the description box. Please do check it out.
So Raynan has fun, and he's gonna come up with more. He will be more pro in the coming days. I'm sure he's gonna practice more. And now Tyson is becoming a little restless because he wants his mama and dada close to him. So guys, we'll catch you up in the next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Stay tuned to North Meets South for yet another exciting episode coming up only for you. Bye bye.